My name is Ethan, and we're gonna put this piece of soap into the microwave. Huh? Okay, Maya, put it in.
I want to line. You see it's in there?
What?
Get your head out.
Help me.
Now we're gonna turn it on.
You have to do 2, 0,
20 minutes.
0,
2 minutes.
start. And then it's cooking. Let's see what happens.
Can you turn that light off even?
Turn the
Light on or off?
Off.
Cool. What does it turn into? Ethan, what does it turn into?
A big piece of soap.
What shape?
I don't know. We'll see when it gets out. And what? Okay, we have 1 minute, 18 seconds to go. Can I do a countdown?
Ooh, starting to catch on fire. Okay, we should stop. Oof. Better open up the windows. Careful touching that.
Whoa!
Look under it. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Did we melt the plate?
That's just.
Did we totally melt the plate? Oh dear. Oh dear.
Let's show the camera that.
Oops. Don't use styrofoam for this experiment. Watch out, Ethan.
Oh, that's really hot.
Yeah, don't touch.
Don't do this at home, okay?
It's incredibly dangerous.
This is the first time doing it. This is the first time doing it.
So-
This is the first and last time we're gonna do this.
So was this experiment a success or a failure, Maya?
Failure.